which can treat every disease. Every disease, I mean literally every disease. Yes friends, our nature has lot of miracle and I am going to tell you about such one thing which can treat each and every disease except death. Yes, Kalonji is one such Ayurvedic herb which is known to be useful in treating each and every disease except death. Our medical science has done more than 500 researches on Kalonji, and Kalonji has proven for helpful in more than 100 health problems. So if your body has any health related issues, you can trust that Kalonji has the ability to help in that health problem. Kalonji is known by many different names like Nigella Sativa or Black Cumin Seed. And we are bringing this gift of nature for you in the form of Nature Sure Kalonji Oil. Nature Sure Kalonji Oil is 100% pure and cold pressed so that you receive all the benefits of this miracle herb. For thousands of years, Kalonji oil has been used for treating many health and beauty related problems. Here is the list of several benefits of Kalonji oil for health and beauty. Kalonji is a rich source of potassium, iron, calcium, sodium and 15 amino acids. It has a high content of dietary fiber in the form of glucose, xylose, arabinose, and all of these are extremely important for the body for daily growth and repair of wear and tear. It is a wonderful remedy for diabetes management. Kalonji oil helps in metabolism and helps in prevention and management of diabetes. Diabetes patients should mix 2.5 ml Kalonji oil in 1 cup of black tea and take empty stomach. You will notice that your blood glucose level starts coming in control. Kalonji oil is a proven remedy for making your hair stronger and smoother. You simply need to rub Nature Sure Kalonji oil on your head twice daily. You can also mix a little bit of lime juice in cup of Nature Sure Kalonji oil and rub it on your head to prevent hair fall. This can be done once or twice in a week. Nature Sure Kalonji oil is extremely effective in managing migraine and generalized headaches. Massaging your forehead or head with Nature Sure Kalonji oil is known to be effective in giving relief from headaches. Rubbing of Kalonji oil near the ears is also known to be beneficial in curing headaches. Kalonji oil is known to be beneficial when used as an herbal beauty treatment. Kalonji oil is also an excellent remedy for joint pains. You can either use Kalonji oil alone or in combination with other herbs to provide relief from the pain. For example, using 1 teaspoon of vinegar and half teaspoon of Nature Sure Kalonji oil and massaging the inflicted area twice a day will prove immense relief from pain. Even simply using Nature Sure Kalonji oil for massaging helps relieve the symptoms of arthritis. There are a lot of fake and mixed oil available in the market. So you make sure that you buy 100% pure Kalonji oil.
You can buy Nature Sure Kalonji oil from the site www.naturesure.com, or you can also buy from your favorite online store like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, Nykaa, Purple, Big Basket, Paytm, Shopclues or any other. Everteen, the complete feminine intimate hygiene expert.